LG Electronics has announced the release of a webcam called the LG Smart Cam VC23GA for its TVs. The webcam is priced at $99 and offers 1080p resolution, dual microphones, a physical privacy shutter, and support for webOS's multi-view feature. The camera is compatible with webOS 22 or webOS 23 on LG TVs. LG promotes the webcam as a tool for video conferencing at home using the webOS RemoteMeeting app, LG's web-based video conferencing service. It is also compatible with fitness applications such as Exercite, which analyzes movements and provides live feedback, and Flexeat, a platform for one-on-one wellness and exercise coaching. LG has developed a K-pop dance app called Home Dance by 1M in collaboration with 1 Million Dance Studio, offering K-pop dance tutorials. One of the main drawbacks of the camera is the limited availability of popular apps on webOS compared to Android and tvOS platforms. The video questions the relevance of the webcam's release timing, suggesting that the demand for remote work and video conferencing has decreased as pandemic restrictions have eased.